It's the last trading day of the week at the Nigerian equities market. At intraday, the all-share index was in the green, up 0.13%. It's about 40 minutes to the sound of the closing gong. Let's see what the numbers are saying at this time. Temple is there on the floor to tell us. Hello, Temple. Good afternoon. Sentiments look positive today, as at midday the market was looking up. What is the state of the market at this time?
Thank you so much, Chimeze. At the moment, the market is no longer looking up. It's looking down as we speak. It's looking like the market will end up closing southward, except if we see a major difference. As we speak, the all-share index is at the 34,083.96, compared to yesterday when it ended at 34,112. You can tell right now that we're deep in. We're seeing losses in major counters across the insurance, for example, Sovereign Insurance, Lasaco, Standard Alliance, as well as the banking sector, talking about the likes of United Bank of Africa, that's UBA, which is currently down by some 9.4%. In terms of the stocks that are trying to brace the trail, we're seeing ICO Insurance getting some 0.15%. Dangote Sugar in the consumer goods sector is up by 0.90%. We've also got Forte Oil from the oil and gas sector maintaining its momentum at 0.50%. It looks like the losses on that stock in recent time, when it fell to as low as 19 naira, has now bottomed out. We're beginning to see a bit of price correction there. So I think in the meantime, the level of sentiments that it has been enjoying from domestic and offshore investors and the media in the short to medium term will be sustained. WAPCO is one of the stocks really dragging the market as we speak, as well as Wema Bank. But generally, the banking sector is not looking good. Consumer goods too is looking in the negative territory. The oil and gas is about the only one looking like it's going to shape things now. If we see a positive movement in the price of Dangote cement, perhaps something beyond 5%, or basically there about 5% or beyond, perhaps the market will end up closing northwards today. However, there is a bit of news from the NSE by way of press release talking about the preparation for the Association of African Stock Exchanges. Now the conference is to be hosted on the 26th and 27th of November. Some of the speakers that have been confirmed include Dr. Akinwumi Adesina, that's the president of AFDB, and of course Ms. Aruma Ote and the Minister of Finance, Ms. Kemi Adeosun. Focus will be on fintech, green growth, financial inclusion, that's financial literacy, and a host of other topics to be discussed. Chimeze, thanks.
Temple, we are following that conference closely. Thank you for those updates. Thank you, Temple.